I'm Emily Allred, Curator at the World Chess Hall of Fame. In August 2021, people around Missouri commemorated the state's bicentennial. As part of these celebrations, a life-size granite chessboard will be installed at a new park on Adrian's Island in Jefferson City, Missouri. Surrounding the board will be 32 images representing the contributions that Missourians have made in varied fields, including agriculture, music, literature, and sports. The board will also educate visitors about significant historical moments and personalities from the state's history, including President Harry S. Truman, Dred and Harriet Scott's courageous efforts to gain their freedom, innovations of George Washington Carver. The project was spearheaded by Dr. Jeanne Sinquefield, the co-founder of the St. Louis Chess Campus. The Chessboard is the Eagle Scout project for Andrew Dowden, a Life Scout and student at Helios Catholic High School in Jefferson City, Missouri. He completed the engravings on the stones surrounding the chessboard using an epilogue laser at the Scouts BSA Invention Campus. Around the board will be benches made from 200-year-old wood by Life Scout Maya Thomas, a student at Kirksville High School in Kirksville, Missouri, as a part of her Eagle Scout project. On August 9th, the efforts of both Scouts were honored during a ceremony commemorating the dedication of the Bicentennial Bridge, which was attended by Governor Mike Parson, Lieutenant Governor Mike Kehoe, and the Mayor of Jefferson City, Carrie Turgeon. A free brochure is available on site at the World Chess Hall of Fame and for download at worldchesshof.org. It contains passages about the historical moments memorialized on each of the squares, as well as information about the efforts of the Scouts who made this project a reality.